Hi, I am Florence Mayfair, and welcome to Mayfair Astrology, where we decode the universe and uncover its cosmic secrets. In today's video, we're diving into a question that's been asked for centuries. How do you capture the heart of each zodiac sign? Is it seduction, mystery, acts of service, or maybe cosmic alignment? Before we begin, I have something special for you. Download my free guide, 12 Rituals to Harness the Power of the Moon, as well as a free 2025 digital moon and astrology planner to help you align with the cosmic rhythms. The link is in the description below. Let's explore the wisdom of the stars together. Your journey into the secrets of zodiac attraction starts now. Let's begin. Aries, the thrill seeker. What Aries wants: excitement, confidence, and the thrill of the chase. Aries is ruled by Mars, the planet of action, passion, and competition. To attract Aries, you can't be passive or predictable. They crave someone who feels like a challenge worth pursuing. Example: instead of saying, "I'd love to see you this weekend," say something like, "I bet you can't plan a date that impresses me. Prove me wrong?" Aries can't resist a dare. Cosmic tip: physical dates, rock climbing, dance classes, or spontaneous road trips will captivate Aries more than quiet dinners. Taurus, the sensual soul. What Taurus wants: comfort, beauty, and sensuality. Taurus is ruled by Venus, the planet of love, pleasure, and luxury. Attracting a Taurus means engaging all their senses. Think beautiful aesthetics, soothing touch, and delicious tastes. Taurus loves courtship, slow, steady, and filled with sensory pleasures. Example: invite them over for a homemade dinner with candlelight, soft music, and a decadent dessert. Taurus loves someone who puts effort into creating comfort. Cosmic tip: complement their taste in fashion, decor, or food. Taurus takes pride in curating their personal style and surroundings. Gemini, the curious communicator. What Gemini wants: mental stimulation and playful conversations. Gemini, ruled by Mercury, falls for words before looks. To win over a Gemini, you need to keep their mind buzzing. Clever jokes, random facts, and deep talks work wonders. Example: send a text like, "If you had to live in a different century, which one would you choose and why?" They'll love the quirky challenge. Cosmic tip: change up the conversation topics constantly. Monotony is Gemini's biggest turnoff. Cancer, the emotional protector. What Cancer wants: emotional safety and heartfelt connection. Ruled by the moon, Cancer loves nurturing and being nurtured. They fall for people who feel like home, emotionally present, nurturing, and sincere. Example: share a vulnerable story about your childhood or a fear you've overcome. Cancer cherishes emotional openness. Cosmic tip: cook for them. Homemade meals are like love letters to a Cancer. Leo, the star performer. What Leo wants: admiration, attention, and playful romance. Ruled by the sun, Leo naturally seeks admiration and applause. They want someone who notices their brilliance and isn't shy to say it. Example: compliment something unique about them. You have the kind of laugh that belongs in a movie. Leos love feeling like main characters. Cosmic tip: plan dates where they can shine. Karaoke, dance nights, or even a themed party where they can dress up. Virgo, the thoughtful perfectionist. What Virgo wants: thoughtfulness, reliability, and attention to detail. Virgo, ruled by Mercury, is analytical, practical, and observant. They're drawn to people who notice the little things and show up consistently. Example: if they casually mention their favorite tea, surprise them with a box next time you meet. Virgo swoons over quiet, thoughtful gestures. Cosmic tip: offer to help organize their bookshelves or solve a small problem for them. Virgos love practical support. Libra, the romantic idealist. What Libra wants: harmony, beauty, and romance. Ruled by Venus, Libra craves beauty in relationships, both visually and emotionally. Libra craves romance, but what truly wins their heart is a partner who understands the art of compromise and intellectual connection. Example: take them to an art gallery followed by rooftop cocktails at sunset. Libras love ambiance and aesthetics. Cosmic tip: don't be afraid to flirt. Libra enjoys the dance of romance, witty banter, eye contact, and little compliments. Scorpio, the magnetic mystery. What Scorpio wants: depth, intensity, and mystery. Ruled by Pluto, modern ruler, and Mars, traditional ruler, Scorpio falls for emotional and intellectual depth. Surface-level flirting won't work. They want to feel your soul. Example: ask something provocative like, "Do you believe we choose our partners before we're born?" Scorpios crave conversations that go beneath the surface. Cosmic tip: reveal yourself slowly. Let them peel back your layers. They love discovering secrets. Sagittarius, the free spirit. What Sagittarius wants: adventure, humor, and honesty. Ruled by Jupiter, Sagittarius is addicted to freedom and exploration. Clingy or overly serious people scare them off. Example: instead of a standard dinner date, suggest something unexpected: a food truck crawl, night kayaking, or a spontaneous road trip. Cosmic tip: talk about your wildest travel dreams. They love partners who crave adventure too. Capricorn, the ambitious builder. What Capricorn wants: ambition, reliability, and shared goals. Ruled by Saturn, Capricorn admires people with direction and self-discipline. They value long-term plans over fleeting romance. Capricorn's serious exterior hides a quietly passionate heart. Once they trust you, they reveal a surprisingly sensual side. Example: share your career aspirations and ask about theirs. Capricorn loves building dreams together. Cosmic tip: be punctual and consistent. Capricorn respects reliability above all. Aquarius, the visionary rebel. What Aquarius wants: originality, intellectual freedom, and shared causes. Ruled by Uranus, modern ruler, and Saturn, traditional ruler, Aquarius falls for people who think differently, those who challenge the status quo. Example: send them a bizarre documentary recommendation or a conspiracy theory to discuss. Aquarius loves unusual conversations. Cosmic tip: show genuine passion for a cause, whether it's environmentalism, human rights, or cutting-edge tech. They're drawn to purpose-driven people. Pisces, the dreamy romantic. What Pisces wants: emotional connection, creativity, and magic. Ruled by Neptune, Pisces wants love to feel otherworldly, poetic, artistic, and spiritual. Pisces loves romance, but they also need emotional safety to avoid slipping into escapism. Example: write them a handwritten letter, or invite them to stargaze at midnight. They're suckers for romance that feels like a fairy tale. Cosmic tip: share your dreams, even the silly ones. Pisces adores people who aren't afraid to be vulnerable. These cosmic secrets can help you open the door to each sign's heart. But remember, astrology is more than just sun signs. If you really want to understand someone's love language, you need to know their Venus sign too. Don't worry, I've linked a free birth chart tool in the description so you can dive deeper. Your Venus sign reveals how you give and receive love, your desires, love language, and relationship patterns. What's your sign? And have you ever fallen for your zodiac opposite? I'd love to hear your cosmic confessions. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new cosmic insight. Thank you so much for joining me today, and until next time, keep looking to the stars.